Hello everyone. In this video, now we are going to learn about programming languages. So let's talk about what is language. So if you want to communicate with anyone, you need medium, right? It's a language. So programming languages are also a language like English, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, like that. But if a computer want to understand you, or you want to understand the computer, or you have to suggest something to the computer, so you should know the computer language. So this is called programming language. We speak one to one, like human to human, in a language which they know or we know or both knows. But if you want to talk to the computer knows only zeros and ones. So you cannot speak in zeros and ones, right? It's a bit lengthy, like 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So you can't speak like that. So we will write in high level language and let compilers do their work, and they will convert into zeros and ones, so computer can understand what you're telling to them. So and they work accordingly to that. So the uses of programming language are, you will tell computer to work, so whatever the work might be, so you will convey the computer to do that, and it will do on behalf of you. You can tell computers to solve the problems. We can program to do particular work only, so they are known as ASIC. ASIC means application specific integrated circuits. So they will work for only particular application. Different programming language have different uses. So like Python is good for data science, and HTML is best for website development, and SQL is for backend. Like the popular programming languages are the most popular is C, and it's very high efficient. It's highly speed. The speed is very high, and the CPP, the next generation of C, and the Java, the master of all, and Python. Yeah. Now coming to the Python, I love it the most, and I recommend for every beginner because of its stealth programming, and it's very easy to program and easy to understand. So syntaxes are very simple, and I will recommend every guy and beginner to use Python. So SQL is for database programming language. So HTML is, as I said earlier, it's for website building, and JavaScript, it's also for a building. So what are we waiting for? Let's start with very basics. We will tell now computer to print I am hacker. Let's begin that. Okay, so I am now coding in Python. Yeah, this is Jupyter, and I'm launching this from Anaconda. You can see here Jupyter, we can code line by line. Now I'm in this set, I'm giving it to print I am hacker. So just tell, I'm telling the computer to print I am hacker. So I'm pressing shift and enter to execute this command. So there it is. So computer has printed for me that I am hacker. So what happened here? So I told this computer to print I am hacker, or display I am hacker. So this is converted the print command that we are commanding to the computer to print I am hacker, or to display I am hacker. So this is converted into zeros and ones and tell computer to do this work. So that zeros and ones hell of thing is happening over the backend. You don't need to know about it, but keep in mind that it's done by the compiler. So this is a simple program. So coming to, yeah, syntax. So syntaxes are important. Let me tell what is syntax. So if you are doing a work, it should be done in a particular way. So if you are speaking in English, so English has grammar. Syntax is can be related to grammar. So it's like how we are programming it. In this example, this is to print I am hacker in C language. So what we wrote before in Python is very different from the C language, right? This is C language grammar, and this is Python language grammar. Syntax is nothing but like the way we are representing the commands. Syntaxes are important. Now, in the next video, I will guide you to install the Python and require softwares. Further, we will proceed deep into Python programming language. We will see Python programming in hacking and networking perspective mostly. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.